In this lessons, you'll learn about Google Docs. Docs is an online word processing tool that offers real-time collaborations and sharing. Docs can be accessed, create and share on any device, including the smartphone. Best of all, Docs is a cloud-based and your work is automatically saved, so you never have to hit save again. To get started, make sure you are signed in into your Google account. Then go to docs.google.com. Creating a new blank doc is easy. Just click the document with colorful plus button on it. Every Google Doc you create is automatically set to private, which means that only you can see, edit or delete it. To share your Google Doc with others, click the blue share buttons in the upper right corner and add an email address and choose the permission level. Edit Right allows a person to edit, add and delete content in real time. Comment Rights allow someone to comment, suggest changes require approval from the document owner. Only View Rights allow a person to see the content but prevent them from changing or deleting anything. When multiple people access the document at the same time, each person's cursors appear as a different color. This prevents collaborators from accidentally typing over one another or deleting one another's work. All edits are seen instantly by everyone without having to refresh the doc. And don't worry, doc works offline too. If you ever lose your internet connections, you can keep working normally. All your edits will be saved and will sync with the current versions the next time you connect to the internet. Google offers many typical word processing tools, such as different fonts, line spacings, columns, and headers and footers. All the editing features are located in the Edit menu, the Format menu, and all the tools bar located at the top of your doc. Docs are automatically saved in your Drive and you can organize them in a few different ways. Drive field can be sorted by the title or by the file was last modified. Use the search features to find doc by title, keywords, by who else is collaborating the doc. You can also use folders to keep your files organized. To create a new folder, click the New button. To put an existing file in the folder, click and drag the files into your folders you want. To share a folder with collaborators, right-click on the folder, choose Share and add an email. Like we learned during the previous lessons, Google Docs can be downloaded and saved into other file formats. While you have your documents, click the File menu and scroll down to Download As. Hover over the arrow to see the options for downloading. You can download the doc file as a Microsoft Word files, PDF or other kinds of files. And those are the basics of Google Docs. I hope that was helpful, especially those of you looking for productivity tips and tricks. And if you got opinions, I know you do, or if you want to share with your experience with different types of tips and tricks, let us know in the comment below, because I know lots of people will find your experience helpful. By the way, you can get in touch with me on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and my website. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.